Hello, welcome to School Cracker. In this lecture, I want to proceed with factorization. This topic is one of the most simplest, yet students have difficulty in solving them. Factorization. There are basically three ways to solve the polynomial. The first one is middle term method. Second one is trial method. And the third one is cross method. Consider a common polynomial for all the ways, that is 3x plus 4x minus 15 term, middle term method. In this method, just consider this middle term, that is here in this case it's 4. We break this 4 into two numbers in such a way that when those two numbers are multiplied, the product will be 3 into 15, that is 45, and when those two numbers are subtracted from each other, the difference will be 4. So those two numbers are 9 and 5. Instead of 4, I'm just going to write 9 minus 5. That is 9 5 is 45. 9 minus 5 is 4. So these two numbers are the required number. Rest we just have to write whatever are given in the polynomial. Like here x is given, minus is given, 15 is given, plus is given, 3x square are given. Just multiply, just open the bracket. 3x square plus 9x minus 5x minus 15. Extract the common 3x. Whatever are left, return back. Minus 5 is the common, so x plus 3. From these two, the common is x plus 3, and whatever are left are 3x minus 5. So x plus 3 and 3x minus 5 are the factors of the given polynomial. Isn't that good? Now try a trial method. So in this method, think of a number, think of a value of x such that this whole polynomial will get converted to 0. After trial, the value of x is minus 3. For example, cross check. 3, we just put this minus 3 in this polynomial. So that is giving us 27 minus 12 minus 15. So it is 0. 12 minus 12 equals to 0. That means one of the factor of this polynomial is x plus 3. With this factor, just divide the given polynomial. 3x square plus 4x minus 15 in order to extract the remaining factor. So I assume that all of you know how to divide. So we're just going to divide it. 3x square plus 9x. Change the side. This is get subtracted. Here it is minus 5x. Drop down 15. Again it is minus 5. Minus 5x minus 15. Change the sign. So the answer is, the remainder is 0. Hence, the new factor is the quotient of this division. So that is x plus 3 and 3x minus 5 are the factors of the polynomial. Next, we are going to try the cross method. Here, in this case, we just find out the factors of 3 and 15. So the factors are 1 and 3, and it is customary to put x here. And the factors of 15 are 3 and 5. Now, in this case, we just multiply the numbers, cross multiply the numbers. The results are 3 3s are 9 and 1 5s are 5. So here, which sign we are going to implement? We just have to check the middle term. The sign of the middle term is positive here. This positive sign will be given to the bigger number here, and the negative to the smaller number. Hence, the factor in this case is 1x plus 3x plus 3 and 3x minus 5. Wasn't that cool, guys? If you want to learn more math, please do subscribe School Cracker, like it, share it, and comment below. Thank you.